and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making strawberry lemon cream scones. These simple scones are filled with sweet strawberries and tangy lemon flavor. For our ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, white sugar, baking powder, salt, lemon zest, butter, eggs, whipping cream, sour cream, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and strawberries. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We're going to line a baking sheet with some parchment paper. Now in a bowl, we're going to mix together our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, and our salt, and some lemon zest. Here we're going to whisk all our ingredients together. Once combined, we're going to cut in the butter with our pastry cutter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbles. Next, we're going to add in our heavy cream, our sour cream, our egg, our vanilla extract, our lemon juice. We're going to slowly add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredient, and we're going to mix until it is well combined. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add in our strawberries. And you want to mix your strawberries in with your mixture. I think that's good enough. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to turn our dough out onto a lightly floured surface, and we're going to pat our dough into a 1-inch thick circle. You want to cut it into 8 triangles. Once you cut your dough into 8 triangles, we're going to place our scones onto a baking sheet that we prepared. And the next thing we're going to do, we are going to brush the top of our scones with a little bit of heavy cream. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bake our scones anywhere from 15 to 16 minutes until your scones are golden brown. While your scones are cooling, we're going to mix together our powdered sugar, starting with 1 cup, some lemon juice, and our lemon zest. So here I am just zesting my lemon. And here we're adding in our lemon juice, and we're just going to mix that in. You want to start with at least 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and you want to gradually add until you get the consistency of glaze that you would like to put onto your scones. So I have came to the consistency that I like, and here I'm just going to drizzle my lemon icing on the top of my strawberry lemon scones. So today we made some strawberry lemon cream scones. These were delicious. You could pair these with a nice lemon tea, or if you love coffee, these are delicious in the morning. So I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.